Big breaking news, fireballs have been seen over 15 different states overnight. And we are also having extreme weather and flooding events. Highways are shut down. Let's get into all the details here. You guys can see this is a video right now that is coming out of Alabama. All right, it says impressive meteor fireball over Alabama a little before 10:30 tonight. Video from Evan Farmer in Athens. All right, so you guys can see this thing looks unreal. I was almost like, is this a real video when I saw it? But there's so many videos from different angles. Here's another one you guys can see. He said, yeah, it's been seen all over. Got it over here in southern Kentucky too. All right, you guys can see another angle of this fireball. Absolutely insane. It almost has a green tint to it as well. That could be multiple things. That could be the type of metals that are inside of it, and it also could be like oxygen ionizing and plasma, right, as it enters the atmosphere. All right, so pretty incredible. You guys can see here's another view of it, and here are the 15 states. Look at this. Looks a little different on the camera here. It's a little brighter, but it kind of just lit up the sky there. I mean, you can see the whole tone of everything, even like the porch, like you can see it reflecting on the table light there. You see how it's on the glass table right there. So pretty large and luminescent fireball over these 15 states. Here are the 15 states: Alabama, Arkansas, Georgia, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Kansas, Mississippi, Missouri, Minnesota, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Texas. All right, all had people reporting. There was over 390 reports just from this one last night that happened on the night of June 14th and June 15th. All right, and you guys can see here as well one more view of this. All right, this is a video from Kaylee Johnson in Arkansas. Absolutely otherworldly, right? And you can see every video has like a green hue to it. All right, and you can see it kind of breaking apart as well there at the end. And why are we seeing so many different fireballs like this entering Earth's atmosphere, specifically over the United States? And specifically, they keep coming from the same angle. They keep coming from the Atlantic Ocean on the East Coast and fly in westward. All right, and people are saying they saw this one over Texas. So we've seen a pattern of this. There's been a lot of them. If you guys remember at the end of May, I think it was like May 30th, maybe 31st, where people in Massachusetts and New England heard these sonic booms that shook people's homes, and there was a massive explosion in the sky. That was apparently a meteor as well. That's what we were told. Also on June 13th, there were several events as well that were reported in Maryland, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and West Virginia. All right, this was the night before the 13th into the 14th. And then last night, we had this even bigger one, this green fireball, which is absolutely, mind-blowing to see.